In today's tutorial, we're going to be learning how to fill a lash gap. So for this first example, I'm going to be doing a full set of classics. And since our gap is more than a few millimeters long, I'm going to use volume fans instead of classics to fill the gap. Don't worry, it won't look weird, I promise. We just have to make sure that we use the right fan type to cover this amount of space. So I'm using Lost Artistry's mid-stem fans, which are wide enough to help us cover this gap. I wouldn't use long stem fans for this example because it's too narrow and won't give us the coverage that we're looking for. So what you want to do is you want to angle your extensions inwards towards the gap. To do that, you're going to apply your extension on the side of the natural lash that you want it angled towards. So you can see that I'm applying my extension on the right side of the natural lash so that it angles inwards towards the gap. Now you're going to do the same thing for the other side. Now from here, the choice is up to you. You can either apply all classic lashes or you can mix in a couple fans, which is what I chose to do. I applied another fan on each side of the gap, and then I applied some classic lashes as well, and I found that this really helped blend everything together. And here's the result of our full looking classic lash set. Now in this next example, I'm going to show you how to fill a smaller gap with classic lashes. So again, you're going to do the same thing. You're going to apply your extensions on the side that you want it angled towards. You can also see that I use the tips of my tweezer to help angle the extensions. Here is the before and the after. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we will see you on the next tutorial. Thanks for watching.